इंडस रिवर सिस्टम, जो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है एंड एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड एमसीक्यूज भी कवर करेंगे. फर्स्ट डिस्कस द origin and its system overview. Indus River total length is about 3,180 km and the basin area is across 1.16 million square kilometer. Indus River flows across 4 countries that are China, India, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Now coming to the origin. It originates in Tibet near Lake Manasarovar from the Bhokarchu Glacier. इंडस रिवर भोकरचू ग्लेशियर से ओरिजिनेट होती है जो कि तिब्बत में है नियर लेक मानसरोवर इन द कैलाश रेंज एट एन आल्टीट्यूड ऑफ 4,164 meters. Now coming to the river course and entry. Indus River enters India from Demchok of Ladakh and flows between Karakoram and Ladakh ranges before entering Pakistan. Not Karakoram, it flows between Ladakh and Zanskar. Indus River flows between Zanskar and Ladakh ranges, not Karakoram. Okay, now coming to the Indus River originates from Tibet near Lake Manasarovar from the Bhokarchu Glacier, and it enters India from the point Demchok. Of Ladakh. It enters India and flows between the Ladakh ranges and the Zanskar ranges. And then it enters Pakistan. The important tributaries of Indus are the Jhelum River, which originates from the Verinag Spring. The next comes the Chenab River, which is the largest tributary of the Indus River. Next is the Ravi River. The next comes the Beas River, the only river which starts and ends in India, and it meets Sutlej at Harike. This is the Sutlej River, which originates from the Shipkila Pass, Tibet, and these all rivers meet at Panjnad, 5 rivers. Now coming to the major tributaries. Right bank tributaries हैं Shok, which originates from the Siachen Glacier, which is the largest glacier located in Karakoram range. Next comes the Gilgit, located in POK, Pakistan occupied Kashmir, Swat, Kunar, which are the tributaries of Kabul River. Then comes the Kuram, then Tochi, Gumal, which is an important tributary of Zob. The tributaries which you have to remember for exam point of view are Shok, Gilgit, Swat, Kabul. If possible, remember Kunar, which is a tributary of Kabul, and the Kuram. These are the 5 important tributaries which you have to remember, the right bank tributaries. Then comes the left bank tributaries. The first one is Zaskar, Suru, Sohan. Then comes the Jhelum River, which originates from the Verinag Spring, and then the Chenab River, which is the largest tributary of Indus, formed by the merging of 2 rivers, Chandra and Bhaga rivers. Okay, and they meet at these 2 meet at Tandi. This is the place known as Tandi. The Jhelum River meets Chenab at Trimu. Then comes the Ravi River, which originates from the Rohtang Pass and meets Chenab at Rangpur. Then comes the Beas River, the only river which originates and ends in India. And this is the Sutlej River, which originates from the Shipkila Pass, meets Beas at Harike. Then meets Chenab at Panjnad. All 5 rivers meet at Panjnad. All these 5 rivers, Panjnad meets the Indus River at Mithankot, Punjab, Pakistan. Mithankot. These are the important points which you have to remember for the exam point of view. The place where Panjnad, 5 rivers meet Indus, is known as Mithankot, located at Pakistan, Punjab. Okay. These are the important points which you have to remember for the exam point of view. Now comes the origin of every major tributaries. First comes the Jhelum River, which originates from the Verinag Spring, foothills of Panjnad range located at Jammu and Kashmir. Then comes the largest tributary of Indus, the Chenab River, which is an important tributary which you have to remember, formed by the merging of two rivers, Chandra and Bhaga. The Chandra originates from Zojila and the Bhaga originates from Baralachala Pass. These two rivers, Chandra Bhaga, meets at Tandi, Himachal Pradesh. Then comes the Ravi River, which originates from the Rohtang Pass near Kullu Hills, located near Himachal Pradesh. Then comes the Beas, which is the only river which flows entirely in India, which originates from Rohtang Pass, south of Panjnad, and crosses Dhauladhar range. Then comes the Sutlej, which originates from the Shipkila Pass, Rakshas Dal Lake, near Lake Manasarovar. Okay, these are the important points which you have to remember for the exam point of view. As we have discussed earlier, Panjnad means 5 rivers. Panj means 5, Nad means rivers. This Panjnad is located in Punjab, Pakistan, near Uch Sharif, Bahawalpur. Okay, this Panjnad, which means 5 rivers, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej. These all 5 rivers meet at a place called Panjnad, which is located at Pakistan, Punjab. Okay, these points which you have to remember. Then these 5 rivers, Panjnad meets Indus River at a place called Mithankot. Okay, Mithankot in Punjab, Pakistan. Approximately 45 km downstream of Panjnad. Indus Water Treaty, signed on September 19, 1960, mediated by World Bank, which was signed by Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and President Ayub Khan. In this treaty, eastern rivers, which are Ravi, Beas and Sutlej, are totally permitted or allocated to India, whereas western rivers, Jhelum, Indus, Chenab, are allocated to Pakistan. India can only use these rivers for domestic non-consumptive purpose, whereas eastern rivers, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej, are totally allocated to India, whereas for Indus, Jhelum and Chenab rivers, 80% of water is allocated to Pakistan and 20% is allocated to India. Okay, India can use Indus, Jhelum and Chenab river water for only domestic purposes, non-consumptive purpose, not for industrial purpose where the water is utilized more. Okay, let us discuss some exam related MCQs which are related to Indus River System. What is the Indus River called in Tibet? The correct answer is Singi Khamban, lion's mouth. In Tibet, Indus River is known as Singi Khamban, which translates to lion's mouth. It enters India through the Ladakh region known as Demchok, between the Ladakh, and flows between the Ladakh and Zanskar ranges. These are the important points which you have to remember. The Jhelum River originates from which location? The correct answer is, which we have discussed earlier, the correct answer is the Verinag Spring. Jhelum River rises at Verinag Spring at the foothill of Pir Panjal range in Jammu and Kashmir. It flows through Srinagar and the famous Vular Lake. Vular Lake is the largest freshwater lake in India. The third question, From which glacier near Lake Manasarovar in Tibet does the Indus River originate? The correct answer is Bokarchu Glacier, as we have discussed earlier. It is a very simple question. Next question: which among the following is the major right bank tributary? Major right bank tributaries show. Okay, the right bank tributaries, left bank tributaries are given here. You can go through it. Now the next question is the Chenab Chandrabhaga, the largest tributary of Indus, is formed by the confluence of Chandra and Bhaga near. The correct answer is Tandi, Kelong in Himachal Pradesh. The Chenab River originates near Baralachala Pass in Lahul and Spiti, and these Chandra and Bhaga meets at Tandi near Kelong, Himachal Pradesh. The combined river is named Chandrabhaga Chenab. The next question is of the 5 Punjab rivers, 3 4 into 1, which directly joins the Indus at Mithankot? Which river is the direct joiner? The correct answer is Sutlej River. Beas River joins Sutlej at Harike. Jhelum River joins Chenab at Trimu. Ravi River joins Chenab at Rangpur. Chenab River merges into Sutlej at Panjnad. Sutlej River joins Indus directly at Mithankot, which is located in Pakistan, Punjab.